Oh God, flash flood warning? For who? For who?
The National Weather Service in Milwaukee-Sullivan has issued a flash flood warning for southeastern Dodge County in southeastern Wisconsin, northwestern Milwaukee County in southeastern Wisconsin, southwestern Ozaukee County in southeastern Wisconsin, southern Washington County in southeastern Wisconsin, northern Waukesha County in southeastern Wisconsin, until 10:15 p.m. At 7:10 p.m., Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: radar. Impact: flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include northern Milwaukee, Brookfield, Menominee Falls, Mequon, Hartford, Pewaukee, Brown Deer, Grafton, Cedarburg, Sussex, Heartland, Delafield, Jackson, Slinger, Bayside, Thiensville, Germantown, Okauchee Lake, Glendale, and Oconomowoc. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most of flood deaths occur in vehicles.